What is up, everybody? This is Ben, and we are having our first series of Let's Build, and we are here with Cameron and Corbin. They're going to challenge off in a pit. We have decided this. You will be able to decide who the winner is and who, what is next in the build, but not yet. Not yet, because we're just starting this off. I will be the judge for that right now. So, first of all, we have Tuxedo Mask, who he's going to be building, and we have the Ninja. Delete this stuff.
Okay, so we're going to be building our
picked art, so your time starts now.
Corbin? Over. What the heck? You have to show off our faces? God dang, whatever. Let's go. Let's build. I'm gonna need some white, black. Okay.
Clock. Timer.
Alright.
Can't mess up. Alarm.
Can't mess up the builds either. Up.
Timer. Oh, alright, here we go. We can have 15 minutes. No. 12, 11, no, 10 minutes. Start.
10 minutes?
So I think
We're building our faces.
I'm pretty sure you're gonna win, Cameron. Alright, so do it nice, do it nice. You're going with the smaller approach, I understand.
I don't wanna go
okay.
big. Don't judge a man by his big head, okay? His small head, I mean. Don't mess up. So,
no pranking the others. Get sniped.
Dude, why do I have a freaking...
Get sniped. Get sniped. I'm not shooting you, I'm shooting the chicken.
Stop shooting my animal, bro.
Are you...
Jeez, that's so off-centered.
Dude, it's fine. You're fine.
Hey, Cameron, you're gonna win anyways. I don't even know how to do this crap.
Dude, you're doing pretty awful. I'm actually, I mean, it sort of looks like right. I mean, I guess. But like, by how it's placed, I think I can't get the tips. Never mind.
Yeah, don't. So, my guy's face is gonna have acne.
Die. Are you watching me mass murder these animals?
Yeah, I'm kinda scared by it. Whoa! There's like blood everywhere. Oh god.
The guy doesn't really.
Blood on my lips.
Actually, looks pretty nice.
Shut up! Don't judge me.
He's got poo-poo in his mouth.
Yeah. Yeah, he likes poo-poo. Look at this. It's all dripping out.
7 minutes.
I look almost done. This is his nose. Hey! Done. Hold on, I gotta do something here.
How are you doing over here, Cameron? You think you're liking what you're doing?
It looks more productive than mine. No way. Hey.
This is actually looking really nice.
Kind of funny how I'm already done with mine. I'm almost done.
I looked at Corbin. He was putting roses all over thing, and I just sighed and walked away. And
wait,
timer.
how much
5
time do we
minutes.
have? Okay.
Probably hurry up, bro. 5 minutes goes by pretty fast.
I'm done. But I'm just putting torches around it.
Corbin, do you still need time, or should we end it?
I need time. Wait. You have to wait for the
I
10
know, but
minutes.
still. I mean, if you're done, we can end it early.
Oh, not yet. I'm almost done.
Corbin, all you're doing is adding roses.
My stand. Hey, you can't even see it. You gotta.
No, why are you helping him? Hey!
More pizzazz, like. Hey, whoa.
I
Just putting some
guess
torches. Just putting torches.
Are you guys both done? Should I stop the timer? Alright!
Oh.
I'm gonna first look at Corbin's, and then... Alright, so he's got himself a podium. Spinning torches thing everywhere. Alright, his face. I mean, I guess that looks similar. That's pretty nice. Well done. Now I'm gonna go over to Cameron's. Let's take a look at his face.
Are you kidding me?
Alright, let me just talk to myself for a minute. Alright, I have racked up the people. Stand on your tower and get ready to erect. Get ready to erect the tower. One second.
Wait, this isn't right. One second. Why are you putting TNT, bro?
Dude, that was freaking you!
Okay, we're gonna put the...
Alright, get ready. In second place, we have...
Oh, wait, you have to tell us... No, you have to tell us, like, be like, Corbin, erect your first block and stuff like that, okay?
Cameron,
Like that, bro.
erect your first block.
Just show it, bro. Yep.
Cameron, erect your second block.
Oh, wait.
Corbin, erect your first block. You're supposed to stand on it. Hey, he broke your block. Alright.
Okay.
Stop it.
Okay, let's do this.
Cameron, erect your third block. Corbin, erect your second block. Now, erect your third block, Corbin. Cameron, you are the winner.
Win. Yeah, that's not the party. Yeah, you suck, Corbin. Look at my A.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this. But I will see you guys later. Cameron won.